Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel My Little Paradise. So in today's video we are going to talk about how to propagate chrysanthemum through suckers. So let's begin. So let us know what are suckers. Suckers are nothing but the vegetative plant growth that develops from the rootstock of the plant. It grows from the base of the plant as you can see in the picture. Next comes the pot preparation. As suckers need not to be transplanted, I will prefer you a big pot. I will suggest a 10-inch pot for it. The pot should have a good drainage hole. Cover the drainage hole with 2 chips by making a bridge for better percolation of water and cover it with sand so that the soil does not get clogged on the bottom portion of the pot. Chrysanthemum does not like waterlogged soil, so drainage of the water is an important factor. Next comes soil mix for growing suckers. Here I am using somewhat organic soil mix for growing my suckers. So here I have SSP, horn and hoof meal or bone meal, neem cake combinedly 5%, coco peat 20%, organic manure 25% and garden soil 50%. Now nicely mix the soil. Here coco peat is used to make the soil porous. As I have told you earlier that chrysanthemum does not like waterlogged condition, so it's very important to make the soil porous. So here I have a plant from my last year's collection. You can see numerous healthy suckers had grown. We need to separate this sucker and plant it in a new pot. So let's separate it. The best time for growing suckers are from January to March. I am a bit late here. Here you can see it has got 3 individual suckers. As I am a bit late, the main plant had started growing its own sucker. You can desucker it now only, but here I am gonna keep them because I can desucker it anytime I want later on. So here I have another mother plant from last year. Here I am gonna scoop out 2 suckers from the pot with a nirani or khurpi. So here as you can see I have got 3 suckers, 2 small, 1 big. Each are good to go if proper care and treatment is taken. The big sucker I have pinched it once when it was in its old pot only, so it has got 3 new branches. So let's plant it. So this is an 1-month-old sucker. I had planted it 1 month back. As you can see, it is in a very small pot and hence it has not grown well. So let's transplant it today. Here you can see the entire soil is filled with roots and hence it needs a larger pot. Next comes a very important step, watering. We have to water it daily. The soil should neither be dry nor wet. It should be moist. Wilting in this vegetative state will hamper the plant growth. Keep the plant in partially shaded area as chrysanthemum does not like direct sunlight. The next video is going to be on the first transplanting of the cuttings. If you don't want to miss it, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Till then, take care, bye bye.